Are you guys in sales and you want to become bigger and better? Never do this. Never get defensive. In sales, it is not to clash heads, guys. You should be more agreeable with what they're saying, understand, and then hit them with the right hook. And by that I mean hit them with another question to think about, hit them with another reason why they should go with you, hit them with another reason why they should buy, but don't get defensive and try to stand your ground. And here's an example. Look, you're negotiating price and you don't agree with the price that they're giving you. Instead of saying and trying to like fight them and get them to understand where you're coming from, and then it becomes a whole he said, she said fighting situation. You see what you just did there is you created conflict, you created a separation between you guys. No, you want to bring them in closer. I understand why you came in at that price, but can we agree on this, right? That this property is better, that this property is nicer, that this property has a better location. And then that way it gets them to understand that it's not about the price, it's about the value that they're getting. So when you're negotiating or you're in sales, you never want to get into that defensive position, because when you're defensive, what you're doing is you're creating tension. And tension is going to keep you further away from the middle ground, which is a sale. Let's go, guys. Like and follow for way more tips.